In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So just follow this video. I'm going on Google, then here I type I love, then PDF, and click on the first link, and you can see this is a compressed PDF. Just click here, then upload your PDF here. Okay, example purpose, this is my PDF. You can see it's already 58 KB and 2 pages. So you can see here are the main things: compression level, so extreme compression, least quality, high compression. And the second one, recommendation compression, recommended good quality, good compression, high quality, low compression. So choose the second one, then it's already recommended, then click on compress PDF, and again click on download. That's it. You can see here are 39% less your PDF file size, 58 KB to and 35 KB. That's it. So this is a method how we can compress PDF files and without losing quality. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.